Today we're making homemade dice out of toilet paper rolls. What? Grab an empty toilet paper roll and flatten it against the flat surface. Then, measure the length from your mid-knuckle to your fingertip. Mark that spot. Snip, snip. Cut up to where you marked the roll. Then measure and cut again to get 2 pieces. Don't forget, grown-ups can help with the cutting part. Time to squish and fold. Push the ends in. Boop, boop. Just like that. Can you see the flat cardboard starting to become a little box? Do the same for both pieces and then squeeze one box into the other. Grab some tape. Put it all together to make a cube. To finish the dice, add dots or numbers on each side. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, all the way to 6. All done? You did it! Great job, Dice Maker! Let's roll it! Don't forget to share and play a game with a friend.